Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. We've made it through 2 weeks of distant learning, so good job. Um, keep doing what you're doing, stay safe, and let's get into today's assignment. So this week we're finishing up chapter 13 and then we're going to be moving into chapter 14. But for today, we're going to look at chapter 13, section 5, and we're going to go ahead and create our thinking map on that, which deals with women's rights. In today's assignment, we're going to be creating a sequence map. And if you recall, that's basically, we're just making a timeline. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing that we need to do, just in case you need a quick refresher, go ahead and go up to the Insert button here, hit that, hit Drawing, and then hit New. And you should get this checkered board. Go ahead and go up here to our Shapes tools and select Rectangle. That's usually what we use. And you're going to create 4 of these because there's 4 important dates that I want you to look at to see what happened during this time period. So go ahead and create 4 boxes, and then we will draw some arrows after we have these created. Alright, in our first box, the date that we're going to be looking at is 1838. So what happened in 1838 is Sarah Grimke published a pamphlet arguing for equal rights for women. That was one of the significant dates in this section. So that's what you're going to put for the first box, is that in 1838, Sarah Grimke published a pamphlet arguing for equal rights for women. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and cover the next 3 dates on your own. So the next date I want you to look for to see what happened that was important is 1848. So you're going to find out what happened in 1848 from chapter 13, section 5, and then you're going to type that in here. After that, the next date you're going to go ahead and look up is 1851. Go and look up what happened that year, type it in this box. And last but not least, for the last date, you're going to look up what happened in 1860. So what happened in 1860? Once you have all the information filled, don't forget you need to draw arrows. Okay? This is a sequence map, so it should go in order. So from 1838 to 1848, we should have an arrow going that way. Then from 1848, what's the next date that comes next? 1851. And from 1851 to 1860. So make sure you go up to your line tools here, select arrow, and just draw the arrows to where they need to go. So line tool, arrow, oops. And now you've got your sequence map. And you can do this a different way if you want to too. You can have all 4 boxes at top, and you can just draw an arrow going to each one. It doesn't really matter as long as you're showing the arrows to point to what the next event was, and it's in chronological order. Anyways, hope you all are doing well. Remember that me and Miss Carpenter both have office hours on Wednesdays from 9:30 to 10:30. So if you ever need to stop in and ask us any questions, please feel free to do so. Or if you just want to come say hi, Anyways, guys, miss you all. I really hope you're doing well. Stay safe out there, okay? And just email me if you have any questions. Grades should be updated for the first week's work by the time you're watching this. So if you want to go back and check, that's fine. And for the second week's work, which is what you did last week, I'll probably have that updated hopefully within a few days. Anyways, guys, take it easy. We'll talk to you all later.